Are you seeing errors created by the ICU Internationalization Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I'll guide you through a professional system-level restoration. For professional-grade ICU Internationalization Library maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the ICU Internationalization Library, the Internationalization I18N component of the International Components for Unicode suite. It provides high-level text processing for sorting, date formatting, and localized number rendering. It is a mandatory requirement for browsers, Chrome and Edge, and database managers. If missing, the application cannot initialize its localized user interface, leading to invalid character set or startup termination errors. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening Command Prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as ICU Internationalization Library DLL. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the ICU Internationalization Library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry, we have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup dash image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Do not let a minor runtime error escalate into a total system rebuild by attempting to force install ICU Internationalization Library DLL into directories where it does not natively belong. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. For users impacted by missing library references, the repair tool linked below provides general background information on ICU Internationalization Library. If this fix repaired ICU Internationalization Library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.